Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. I want to let you know that we stopped here in Mount Vernon, Indiana. Yes, Mount Vernon, Indiana. I want to thank you deeply for joining me on this tour, and I want to thank Mount Vernon for letting me step in and saying hello to everyone in Mount Vernon, Indiana. This is CJ the Traveler Man. Thank you for welcoming me. I'm going to tell you a little bit about Mount Vernon. Mount Vernon is a city which is in the Posey County, Indiana area. The name came from General Thomas Posey, governor of the Indiana Territory. The first settler, which he was the first settler into Mount Vernon, and was also supposed to have been known for Andrew McFadden in 1806. It was platted out as Mount Vernon in 1816, but continued to be known as McFadden Bluff since then. Well, I'm going to tell you a little bit about some notable people that are from Mount Vernon. So we're going to go down a little list here. Thought I'd let you know. We got H. Joel Deckard. We got Francis C. Green. We got William Harrell. We got Alvin P. Hoven. We got Ann Hoven. We got Frederick Charles Leonard. We got Thomas Gamble Pitcher. We got Richard Sarles, and we got William Edward Wilson. So like I said, thought I'd let you know that CJ the Traveler Man stopped in Mount Vernon, Indiana. I want to let you know to just spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. So like I said, just spread the word. We're coming through, and I want to thank everyone for joining me on this tour. This is CJ the Traveler Man signing out. Peace. Hey, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know we stopped in New Harmony, Indiana. Yes, New Harmony, Indiana. I want to thank you deeply for joining me on this tour. And like I said, spread the word that CJ the Traveler Man is coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. And I want to thank New Harmony for letting me step in. And like I said, this is an awesome town. So like I said, this is CJ the Traveler Man, thanking everyone for joining me on this tour. I'm going to tell you a little bit about New Harmony. New Harmony is an historical town on the Wabash River, which is in the Harmony Township, which is also part of Posey County, Indiana. It is 15 miles north of Mount Vernon, Indiana, which was established by the Harmony Society in 1814. There are a few people that I can mention, but at the time I just couldn't find any notable people. But we got David Dale Owens, then we got Charles Alexander, we got Thomas Say, and then we got William McGlair. So like I said, this is CJ the Traveler Man. Thought I'd let you know that we stopped in New Harmony, Indiana. Passed the word on that we're coming to a city, a town, and a village near you. Peace.